The Arch KRGT-1 is a high-end performance cruiser crafted by Arch Motorcycle Company, co-founded by actor Keanu Reeves and custom bike builder Gard Hollinger. This motorcycle blends custom craftsmanship with raw V-twin power, making it one of the most exclusive bikes in the world. Each one is built to order, with a base price starting at around $85,000, though customizations can push it well over six figures. The Arch KRGT-1 is not your average motorcycle. It's a handcrafted, precision-engineered machine designed to deliver a unique blend of performance, comfort, and artistic detail. Developed in Los Angeles, every KRGT-1 is made specifically for its owner, with ergonomics, controls, and aesthetics tailored to the rider's specifications. Powering the KRGT-1 is a 2032cc S&S V-twin engine, pumping out an estimated 122 horsepower and over 120 lb-ft of torque. It's air-cooled and built for long, powerful pulls, perfect for cruising highways with brute force. Despite its cruiser stance, the KRGT-1 delivers sport bike-like handling, thanks to its proprietary chassis design and advanced components. The frame is one of the bike's highlights, a combination of steel tubing and billet aluminum, CNC machined. From single blocks for strength, weight savings, and flawless aesthetics, the unique monoshock rear suspension and Öhlins front forks give the bike both stability and agility, a rare combination in the cruiser category. The KRGT-1 rides on BST carbon fiber wheels, further reducing unsprung weight and enhancing performance. Stopping power is handled by dual ISR 6-piston calipers up front, paired with high-performance rotors, offering serious braking capability. What truly sets the KRGT-1 apart is its obsessive attention to detail. Every visible surface has been machined, polished, or coated to perfection. The fuel tank is a sculptural piece made from multiple pieces of billet aluminum, and the swing arm is equally intricate, pure mechanical art. The bike features integrated LED lighting, a clean digital display, and custom billet controls. Ergonomically, Arch works with each customer to tailor the seat height, handlebar reach, and foot controls to match their riding position. It's a personalized fit that no mass-produced bike can match. Though performance and design are paramount, the KRGT-1 is also about presence. It looks aggressive yet refined, long, low, and unmistakably bold. It has the roar of a big V-twin, the poise of a premium cruiser, and the attitude of a fully bespoke machine. The Arch KRGT-1 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement. It represents American craftsmanship, modern engineering, and a commitment to individuality. For riders who want a machine that feels like an extension of themselves, this bike delivers in ways few others can.